Morning, guys. Oh. Morning, guys. Today, my brother hijacked me. We are on our way to a funeral, so I could not say no. Plus funeral food and so I'm not gonna say a lot, but guys, I don't want to lie. I've been driving like a maniac. So now he's here, just that he's picking up a blouse, and then we are on our way. So yeah, I'm not gonna do much of an outfit check, but although I'm going ibra, so but amabele imile umlomo utsolo. So asambeni guys, siyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani emncwabeni. I'm vlogging a funeral, so don't judge me, don't you dare. Okay, you said you want content. This is the content you signed up for. I'm not a chief mourner today, but however, I am gonna be attending the funeral. So, Bukalani. Don't forget to subscribe. The things I do for you. Funerals are always a constant reminder of how fragile life is. I mean, we are in this red race to fight for better, but all in the end, sisebenzela yonke le nto le. Sisebenzela ukuyobeka emgodini yethu. It is such a weird feeling. It's a weird thing that someday it'll be you. Okay, guys, we've joined the procession now. We're on our way to the cemetery. The sad thing about life is this: people will love you when you are quiet. They will celebrate you when you are no more. And that's the I don't think I am ready to attend funerals. It just took me back, way back into time. I don't think I'm ready for funerals. I don't think I'm ready. Hi loves, I'm back home. I am here to tell you about what happened after the funeral. But first, before I go there, I just wanted to say that I feel like I was not ready for funerals like that, because I took a knock and my brother took a knock later on in the day, and we realized that We are still in pain somehow, somewhere. However, kungcwabekile guys, and ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo around funerals that I want to talk about, but I'll get into that in another video. But I have to say, what a wonderful send off by Eminem once again. However, the after tears, guys, I couldn't even DVD it for you because I didn't actually go to the after tears, the main one, but I was and my brother, we were hosting amaguzumela amanye for the after tears ekhaya. I couldn't even take videos and pictures because amaguzumela, guys, niyazi ukuthi our veli kuma camera kumele angabonakali kuma camera kuma YouTube kuma in, but guys, I had fun. All I can say is that loya mncwabo loyana alikho i-gems or igudzumela belingekho lapha. I was say Israel ukuthi nje ama-gems ase-Israel namagudzumela siyawazi. Posting laphana shembe uzothola umuntu wakho, but ngihleli namagudzumela mina and my brother saphuza kwaba mnandi. Into ebuhlungu nje azange ngile kuloko semngcwabeni, but sele sathenga ukudla, you know, kwaba mnandi, kwahlaleka guys, kwahlaleka. Like bekumnandi, I really enjoyed myself. But all I can say is umncwabo wamaguzumela nje uzohlezi umnandi, une-drama, una that thing. So nje ayi bekumnandi, that's all I'm gonna say. If you know Maria Park, guys, I don't believe it's become this. Story time. I am so happy. I was on a 1 hour call, but it was a group call with some of my associates, and I'm so happy that what was just a dream is finally a reality. And it's so weird how things are just falling into place. Okay, so we just did an NGO. It's been a bit of a hassle, but eventually we are ready to start shop, and I am so excited. This means a lot to me because this NGO is in memory of my mom. And I remember when we were drafting this down with my brother and picking names, it's even named after her. My mom was such a kind-hearted person, and it feels good that her legacy is going to live on through us. And I'm so excited. So I'm going to be going to a meeting because we didn't finish everything that we needed to speak about. So we're going to be going to a meeting. We said we're going to meet at 11. So I just need to finalize with my brother because he's also part of all of this. So that we can make our way to the meeting point. And then after that, I have a few errands. Tomorrow I am working. And unfortunately, I have a brace appointment due. So I might finish this vlog today. Yeah, boom. And that's that. So I want to get ready, take a shower, get ready. Yeah, you know, I'm one of those people in the morning. I believe in doing the number 2 in the morning before I bath. And then throughout the day, I do my stuff. Because during the day, if you're going to have to do the number 2, I feel like you need to bath. Wipes are not enough. I carry wipes, but I feel like it's not enough. To me, in my head, uvukile wageza and then uyukaka. And then ungcolile hamugeza. That is why we bath 2 to 3 times a day. So I am so happy, guys. And although I don't want to share too much, but all I can tell you is that my mom is working overtime. Baby girl is carrying us on her back, and it's so exciting. So it's all over. Remember, so the trip before this, I went to Murray Park. So Murray Park, guys, it used to be the in thing happening. It was going in and out. So I have a story time for you of how I crooked my parents and got a hiding for it. So it was back in the day. I was dating some guy oyipuja. So ngisakhumbula guys kusesena amatarian in. So I had a boyfriend I was dating then. He was not much of a looker, but bekajaga kamnandi. So most of my friends were in that scheme. So I was like, no, let me just also get this guy because why ngifuna and so leso sikhathi lesena ngisise ibharinyana ngisisosiswe SKL mina vele ngikhule ngenze SKL Bobcats ngibengileyo type le yabantwana yabo. Fine. So it be organized to know kuzohanjwa kuyiwa Murray Park and kuze organize amasiyaya yabona in those vibes. So mina, I come from a strict family, particularly my mom, but I'm grateful for her strictness because look at what she produced. So I was living in between my parents, my dad and my mom, because my parents divorced. So so I would interchange within weekends or weeks. So this week ngigulo, this week ngigulo. So but full time I would be at my dad's place whereby it was just a full house. Okay. So guys, imilo yana ofika ngitshele vele ifika iyeza vele igqoke isfazo, like uyagqoka isfazo guy vele aze vele namagwegwe vele azongichecka vele. Baby girl, siyahamba se-trip-ini ngingakhi. And then like in my head I'm like, I can't disappoint this guy because i-relationship says isise-entsha and bathi kunamanye amagela amfunayo. So if angihambi naye trip-ini khona omunye ozongibhukha bese ngiyalahlekelwa, understand? Athi kimi sihamba ngidate so ngiyakubhadalela sihamba soyi-2. Hayi nami like Joy khona ngithi alright yena uzongitshela ukuthi like sizohamba ngoba isikhathi athi ngizokutshela leading up to the trip. Hayi kundlula amalanga kudlule iviki kudlule linye iviki aloko nje angireminder uguy. Mina ke amaqhinga usisa amaqhinga ngithi yazini le weekend le la ngiyohamba nomfana khona ngcono ngikhuluma manga ngithi kumamami ngikubabami ngithi kubabami ngithi kumamami because I know none of them would call each other to be like ogupudimpo. So there was no way I could tell her, but all I told her is that going to the movies with my friends endings are weird in the afternoon. So they didn't have a problem with me going out with friends. It's just that being system ngane guys in I was still even a virgin guys. So anyway, I kunomunye sisibathi bebambiza ngongqondo orubani athengisa impahla ziseJoburg. Leso sikhathi ke eJoburg besingakayihambi ke thina kakhulu. Hayi usisters athengisa amadelela vele. So asibize vele bengidlala nomntana yakhe yabo. Kuthi hayi hamba bonisa mama khombisa ngithi hayi ngiyithatha le delela. Ngiyithatha idelela yakhona vele ile bekususe isikhathi samadelela vele ngisho bele ngiputhe together an outfit delela yakhona kuyesiqephe vele ngithi hayi le izongisutha plus ngipakile, you understand, kuzonyiwa. Hayi ngiyithatha idelela. Listen, at that tender age ngenza isikweletu ukuthi sengodli ukuthi bingina ngakhe. I think if not 13 I was 14. Guys. So anyway, sengithathe le delela vele ngithi no uzoyibhadala ubabami because ekhaya bekune shop ukuthengisa amagunya. So in my street we were those people vele abaziwayo ukuthi hayi imali khona kulapha. So ngithi ngizotshela ubabami ukuthi ngizoyibhadala. Ngifike endlini for sure ngibonisa ubaba bala idelela ngithathe ukuthi ingqonde and then this and this and this. So I'm okay, sizoyibhadala lento leyo month end. Malini athi 190. Okay fine. Icathulo mama mangithengela amanye ama-gladiator ama-gladiator sendle ngisho boyisendle lelo olibopha lize lifike la mama mangithengele elinye so elilihle bekalithenge kanje yini House of Fashion World. Fashion World, yeah. Elimhlophe. Nginesinye iskipa sami esiyelo esama-stripes engasithengi Mr Price ngasigqoka kuyife wele ama-grade 7 vele nganginyisa vele ngazo hayi vele guys no futhi yeah fewele ama-grade 7 yeah you can imagine ke ngiseseyibhari kanjani now neqiqi vele eliyelo so bekusangene le style lesokuthi ufake iqiqi eliyi-1 elikhulu ngapha ufake elincane ngithi ngizofaka 1 ngapha ngifake 1 ngapha and then inwele ngayahamba ngayothenga amadayi we-ine kuthiwa ayi-2 ngawamikisa ngadaya le eskel yami besizikhulile inwele zami zaba blonde so bukhona esinye istyle bengithanda ukusenza inwele zisasesemanzi ngivele ngithatha istyle ngijele ngithi ama-curls kuvele kuqine kube ngathi ngithi dry perm. Can you imagine how innovative I was? Guys ke ngiziprepare ngithi ngiyonyisa kule trip ibheki ngiphethe enye ibheki yami nje encane ipopoqane beyiyelo naye. However, I can't take toiletry because ngiyahamba in my head ngisitshela ukuthi siye tripini siyabuya bese ngiyabuya la ekhaya. Inkinga yami ukuthi if ngiyaphuza what's gonna happen because ugaya afike vele during the week uphuzani ngithaya ngathi ngithengele isarita or a brutal fruit like ngizame ukuzenza topic khona umunye umngane wami bekahlala lapha studying sami. That girl, I honestly feel like she's an identity thief because my name is Michelle, but she liked my name at the time bekamdala kancane yabo. And then she took my name, Wabo Michelle. She owned it like she's Michelle. Today she's known as Michelle. She's even lightened her skin. She looks so pretty. She's different. But let's get to Sakula. I can't say the name in case nje bazoyibona phela. Hey guys, ama neighbors wami mina ayangistocka awangitshela ukuthi abukela content yami ubona nje, you know. Yeah, anyway. So okay bekamdala nyana athola nomunye ugayi we-BM vele ngalezo inkathi lesilo ze-in thing vele athola nomunye ugayi we-BM bathi uvusa ahlala le elontoza emasazini so bekawulogele sekafocus so besiya like bococa naye for ama-advice no akunikeze kuthi understand athi ene masobreakile bu-virginity umncamo wakho awusahlabi phansi makuthi baku-check-e ukuthi sisey-virgin umchamo wakho kumele ubhobhoze phansi yo uzothola sesiyaqhama phansi esigangeni ufuna uku-check-a ukuthi usesey-virgin you understand. Growing up guys okay lo ilanga le-ship selafika vele sekuba Friday vele ngezwa ukuthi that's mama angifona mama bekafona every day kuleyo parent leyo ukuthi every day uyakufonela like usebenza ecompany like so ifone nje she had access to it even if she can call you 5 days angifonele this week uyeza mfazi ngithi angizi this week yabo ngithi angizi okay ngihambe nabangani bami in okay fine no problem ubaba bami ngithi kuyayi baba ngiyahamba ngizoya mangibuya le nabangani bami ngiyahamba ngiyolala kumama yabo so in their heads I'm with my mom I'm with my dad so nobody's gonna worry sisi ay kube Saturday amasiya uyaza nje because bekunama pick up points yabo so uguy athi thina bazosilandela 6 lapho 6 angazi khabo zibani lapho so sizohlanganela lapho so ngifike lapho vele in vele like ngiphethe imali le ukhala vele ngigibeli phela vele bekungakabi nama avans ngigibeli phela vele imloyana vele ngithi ngicela ukwehla elinoto iphela lingishiye lapho 6 ngize vele mangiza vele ngingakabi nani phone guys I think no benginayo iphone usengikhohle but if bengisengine phone lapho benginale Motorola le light blue Motorola 250 or le Motorola 200 benginalawo ke buku ama dream phone wami ke lawa guys ngihambe ke ngifike empaneni ngihambe nomunye ugirl I don't know ugirl then angisakhumbuli wayenzakalani ngifike lapha na mawufika vele akuma quantum akuma butcha kuzifaza kuma khavela akuma Nike kubo you know shebe shit kanyewa ngifika lapha vele ngifike ngalento ukuthi ngiyi-bad girl and then ngiqala ukuthi ngingangijwayeleka because ngimuhle ngifike vele umuntu amangijabulele ukuthi baby awusemuhle like winter on vele izinto ekheke phezulu ekhekeni umuntu wami lo in hi guys yithi labaya phurukuqu sekuyisikhathi sokuhamba utshwala ashithi ngimnisarita or ivota or ibrutal kuthengiwe kunganhlobonhlobo so mina ekhaya because ubaba omncane wami bekaphuza i-reds yabona ama-brutal so utshwala bengithesta makashila bokancane emabhodleleni angibazi guys
ugogo wami ngimshiye shuthi aphemile yabo azi ukuthi mina ngebanganini inini plus Saturday makuyisabathe ekhaya bavula ngisho besonto kamdise so ku quiet inini ugel uhambile gone and forgotten fine guysini kuhanje kuye trip zo yabona le ma video la abantwana baphume ngamafestera like understand mina uguy wami sihlale kule seats le after back seats yabona le like sibe cozy lapha ama quantum I think iskim neskim besicasha ama quantum khoshi ukuthi ba iskim bani abafana yo sesihleli lapha ngempela uguy wakhona amubinyana nje nomlomo nje omkhulu mara ngizofika kanjani how will I get here I'm securing the bag so sambe guys kufika trip kuyiwa mara thenga ukudla on the way fika lama khonsa amahlangana kuzo iskim sesiphelele vele but mangifika lapha ngibona ngathi ayikhona abafana badlela ngaphandle lo muntu lo engamanaye is not a good thing that ngambe I remember ngiphathi reds red square because angisho lo babamncaphundi reds so ngibambe reds so nami ngathi reds ke angisayiphuza Sarita angisho ngibona la TV mangidlala generation abo Sarita Volta yabo angizaka sezizinto lezi guys sambe speaker lapha tripin guys kube mnandi abanye bayaswima eMarine Park kusese iMarine Park guys kungagcwelanga it's like people from different cases knew ukuthi vele siyahlangana ngale date kanje kuphuma ama trip guys thina sikhule kamnandi thina enjoyile life guys ukufika lapho trip ini sekudlalwa phansi kisha ama KFC kisha ama bright and kuya bright you is busy I'm so overwhelmed from umuntu ohlala sendlini naku kugcwele abafana kugcwele amantombazana kuyaphithizela abanye badala nakithi abanye bancane abanye bayangibona lapha yini lo yakelo yana guys lalelani guys ngizoba late kube ngiyageza and then while I do my makeup I continue okay ithi ngiqede ngizoba part 1 bese ngihambe ngiyogeza guys ini kunyiwe ngihlangana khona umunye umfana vele bekuyi childhood sweetheart yami lo yana ne ngiqala ukujola naye nginabo ma grade 1 yabo bathi uNeo bekahlala lapha estradini sami amhlophe amfishane but manje seka udlala the sports lesema yini polo or yini yeah but now he's like sisibadala but like he was my childhood sweetheart like uyu umuntu bengithi like yabo mangise umuntu wami ngikhumbula kuyi Valentine ngathatha imali ngasave vele I think bese ngenza bo grade 1 or grade 2 or grade 3 khona lapho ngasave vele imali yami ngahamba ngayi Discom ngamthengela bekusesena le chocolate engaka yebox elingaka vele ngamthengela yena necard kuyi Valentine umama wayibona wathi mama at that age wathi mama awenzi kanje for umfana fuza ayenzele wena and ungabi obsessed ngomfana ngoba uzodlala ngawe mama ngibone lela box vele ngathi wathi ubani umthengele chocolate ngamtshela wathi uhlala lapha ngathi ngakhomba vele kipi mama mvele mara beka strict but she was nice open yabo afuna ukuthi akuguide ukuthi ungalahleki hi guys ke uNeo ngihlangane naye lapha yana uhamba nengigelo lokelo nokunguthi uye oyebeka silwisa instead ukuthi yabona bathi like mina bengimncane but lokela amdala kancane so ajona noNeo yabo into ezami ngaba heartbroken ukuthi why like ugela ajona ushuthi lento yabo is serious ngisise ngiphethe heartbreak ngapha mele ngibheke lo guy ububble fish lo mlomo omkhulu ukuthi but ngaphuza guys ngiqala experience ukudaba so ngalezo inkathi lezo ugela akakazi ukuthi isangoma esikhulu yabona isangoma esidangerous because lapha eMarine Park kunamanzi guys and amanzi akhona as serious like idami serious and lapha kunomnikati you understand so but I remember ngiyaphambi kwamanzi ngifila dizzy yabona into esinjalo ngasho ukuthi mayibutshwala but into ngangiyifila yayingasekho fandiwani bahamba basumayo kwasinyo kayenziwani so yimi lona ke in love romantic kahanja ngama couple kanti abafana baplanile ukuthi bazosiphonsela ephulini like umuntu ungena nomuntu wakhe ephulini like azilahlele not my man angiguga ububble fish sangena emanzini so guys hairstyle yami styling gel ngingakwatanga mase ngithi ngiyaphuma emanzini yabona ukuthi like I will at least thank God Akhaya they invested in taking me to a multiracial school because I am a swimmer I am swimming I am Koska Pistorius I'm Koska so angilahlele lapha yana uguy lapha elontozini emanzini nginyanyile ukuthi why ngiphume guys nechapha lami vele sengiyaphushuzela laphana ngiyahawula kina ngwana ntate shem ichapha selimoshekile athi uguy no uzogcoka amateki wami vele akhulula iteki lakhe le Nike athi unekhavela lapha emotweni so ngigqoke like bekanekhavela orange neli pink so athi uzogqoka wona mina ngithathi iabita or khavela ngisakhumbula ngigqoka amateki wakhe but sengidinekile yabo angifike ngihlale phansi yabo sekuba ntambama kugrubekile guys sidlile yabona in my head phela isikhathi sokubuyela ekhaya but manje ngibuyela kanjani ekhaya ngidakiwe guys sithuke lapha eMaria Park sekuba mnyama vele ama-quantum zubuza ingqondo yami ngithi hayi phela mele ngekhaya but idimoni lobukeberesh lithi awuye kini hamba phuza samonga ngoba bathi angazi after party khabo bani esigodi in my head ngithi hayi akiweni lapha riyeng how you weighing like the way bese ngidakunga khona I remember ngizihleke ukubona udako uzihleke iquantum idzubuzela mina ngilelela isithini ngizihleka ukuthi ngidakiwe I remember ngiyibona ukuthi iyangena welcome to Davidson why Dimpho ungahliki uye ekini wena uqabanga ubukebereshe nabafana ngahamba guys nabafana abayikhothane bamabhutsha saya after party gagrooviwa lapho ku-after party guys ngazi khabo zibani ama-parents wakhe bowangekho gagrooviwa lapho ama-quantum guys angiseshiye lapho ebusuku vele ukuyaphuza abanye bayenze ubukebereshe inini ekuseni bathi umama kaGuy lo walaphayana ufind out ukuthi uGuy bekayenza iphathi sikumele siphume manje siye ekhaya kithi ngilele ngingalelanga because ukusakwaziwe yimi ukuthi oh shit manje ngiyaphi because ngibuye tripping ngibuye ebafaneni ngiyangaunderstand ukuthi if ngiyele ngahamba early kuba zange ngazithola ngisenkingeni guys ama-quantum akasekho ngijola noJohnny Walker sikumele manje siwalke from Skoti sibuyela kuphi emaXhozeni guys asa walker iskim sabafana samagwego sama namachero akhona but it looks so fashionable ukuthi ababuye tripping izolo bebaya eMaria Park but little did I know what awaited me when I got home ngifike vele ngihamba namateki ngigcoka amateki kaGuy vele uGuy vele ufaka abita lelo uyahamba la estradini siyahamba sonke in ngicabanga vele ukuthi i-situation isesele low kanti I have overstayed my welcome abantwana umazali balomfana bafika guys nga-expectanga sonke saphuma ngama-window kwaba idrama nje sesiyawoka siyobetha ngomoya but ngisitshela ukuthi ngiyimbokodo I will enjoy umuntu amuzobona ukuthi ngiyamthanda la because we are walking but ngangi-20 rand la kudelela but azange ngibele taxi angazi why abantu sebaye emasontweni guys uPhudimpho semfane guys sawalka nalomfana sesiyahlukana la endleleni nabo bani bayasala etradini zabo siyasala nami mina bengisekugcineni because abaningi babo bale phansi uGuy angikhaphe ngithi hayi ngicela ungijikele ikoneni yabo ayi mangiza ngihlangane nalomngane wami vele lo bekajwayela noVusi uMichelle athi kimi ubuyaphi girl cause ubaba khobezela la bazokubheka ngithi hayi athawe wangabuyanga kanti yabo umuntu sekangishiya vele edamini sengibona kahle ukuthi ngifike endlini mangena uyabona nje ukuthi abobamncane bangibheke ngalihlo ukuthi wena uya in trouble kanti umamam ubabam exen bafuna ukuhamba nami bazitshela ukuthi bafuna ngele excited in so baba omncane wambeka ne-Mercedes yabo so bafika lapha kumama bayabhebheza emhlene ngisho ngiyaphuma hawu mama maphuma hawu nini nifunani hawu uPhudimpho hayi uDimpho akekho lapha kini hayi akekho hayibo ubeka nomntana hayi baba omncane hayi mina ngithi ngizomlanda sele kusathi akekho uDimpho akalelanga endlini mina ngithi ulelela hayi bona seyaqala konfidini yo kanti leso sikhathi kulapho mina emfanini ngiphuma ngefestera yo guys mangiphuma ngithi ngiyococela umunye umngane wami le phansi ukuthi sengibuyile trip ngihlangane nobabambela uphuma khona uyabona ukhuluma nomzali vele bona abazali mabakhuluma ya guys ubaba angena endlini athi ubuyaphi ngithi hayi bengikhapha umngane wami ubani lo mngane wakho le yo guys ngisathi ngilibambile baba mne ilo muntu lona ufana nami like uyathetha but akashayani umamam yo guys umamam uze ngephela ngibone nje sekahlika sifathi nangononjebo Jakes mamam afuna ukubuza ukuthi ubuya phela hayi ngathi athona ubuya ngathi ngisafuna ukukhuluma mama vele wathi alanda umthanyelo lapha guys angashaywa umthanyelo lo wavithikela la phezulu kwami nganginenxeba la nale nxeba ngishobana lesikale sekunasa la i-reminder yokuyolala ebafaneni umama mangishaya ngomthanyelo waze wangivuthuza umama watholala ama-slip out ungaka guys umama wangisa kwaze kwalamula ugogo wami wathi ngifuna ukuthi nakusasa uma uqabanga ukuyenza wasekangidona wathi ubuyaphi uzokhuluma iqiniso umama bekashana guys umama futhi masisakhula yobe ka strict mama bawazi kahle ukuthi mabathengi ngizobiza bovele nje ukukhuluma iqiniso but guys sengiyazi isolo lapha but enhlizweni yami abangishaya ngithi this is for love true love lenguyo you know the things I'm going through for my man guys mama wangishaya mama so let's go it's a reminder of that whenever I would talk with my mom sengigugile kanje mangimxoxela athi kimi futhi namanje sisabonakala mangisakhula besivisible kakhulu makaqala athi ini ngithi angisho wangishaya wanginxeba wangishiya ngenxeba so besihlezi sihleka nje shijoka ngale nto le but when it happened bekingikho mnandi guys yo endlini sebayangihleka bo uncle wami lababanye sebangibuza emasatini kanti ubuyaphi wena babami so disappointed in babamvelile abantu abama lecture uzokulecture babami ukuthi ufile kahle ukuthi like impilo yakhe iphelile I'm so disappointed in you uthina sifuna ufunde ini mama bank grounder guys I was grounded for a week indaba yaphuma vele ukuthi mina ngihambe nomfana bese kuphi guys you understand sengihlele ngifaka ikhalamine kanti ngifihla amanxeba umuntu amawaza waye1 wamalapha egedini ekhaya waza ngathi uzothenga mara babona iphepha lahamba laya bathi kuyo like uyafuneka kwaba idrama nje ingekwa so i-relationship yami naye lo mfana loyo then yaphelele emoyeni understand yaphelele emoyeni and then azange ukusaba right yabo but I was grounded for that period but ngasitshela ngathi no more indaba zama trip ngabe ngiyaqina vele ngiyaqina trip ini so moral of the story is Amara Park used to be a place to be and lesikale sam sisibiza uMaray Park because ngasithola ngokuye eMaray Park so bengifuna ukubonisa abantwana ukuthi guys thina besihamba sisakhula and I don't know what happened to it why they no longer maintaining that place because I remember there was a while ngakingayino mama we drove there and bekuthusa vele abo mama bathi hey reverse imoto yo so leyandawo leyana ini but kumnandi so guys ibu youth bethu sibudlile thina sabo enjoy sabo bubudla ningasiboni kanje sesingathi manje sikhathele besirhabula irepo sinokudala ngiyabona ukuthi ngiba ugogo kanje ezinye izinto angizihaleli because I enjoyed my life mina it's just that good manje you know so don't be worried about mina you worried about mina don't be worried mina I enjoyed my life so all right guys bye. Hey loves, my meeting went well. It's just that right now ngiyasha ngigqoke ingubo ngizitshela ukuthi mina le weather le enjani so I feel like mangatshintsha so I am feeling so flabbergasted so demoralized I feel so hot excuse the pun kuyashisa guys and nangcobe i-blanket sanamarena because when I was still at home I saw the weather was just getting weird so I decided to wear something warm but I feel like I'm gonna go and change so yeah line change however my meetings went very well. Okay, I thought somebody's calling me. My meetings went very well. All I can say is you know God is good but nonetheless yeah, we just gotta keep everything under prayer. It's Monday, guys. I need a drink. I need mugodu. So ikudzimela lam litheke mangiyeke ukuphuza zonke lezi zinto engiziphuzayo. And wangilethela le shandisle. I literally have so many of these in the cupboard. I don't know what to do. I don't like ice trapeze, guys. It's not good. Angi afford, angi tandi. Like I even told him, I don't like champagne. Into mele mawuphuza into uyi enjoy. Ukwazi ukubuya kusasa, ukwazi ukubuya another following day. So la heartburn 1. Heartburn 2. So I don't know. Do you think we should swap to this for the sake of finishing them? But guys, patsan heartburn and angithandi mina. Brutal fruits in jelly. Any brutal fruit is sweet, and this is sweet. So I don't know. Maybe we're gonna host an ice trapeze party. I'll see you later. Let me go change, figure out what I'm gonna do with my life, and then love you. One thing you should know about me is that I love street food. Street food, count me in. I have never been disappointed by street food. So here we are, just finished placing an order for my fave, the Carapao, and I must say that I am excited to devour. But what I love, the service, guys, not even a single day have I had any complaints. You know, when a person appreciates a client, that is gold. So nai Carapao yummy. So today we are having the rice fish and salad. Guys, yeah, like if because I'm running errands today. I'm going to clean up hands. So I think this is the end of my vlog. However, hold up. Oh guys, this is good. Can I be honest with you about ice trapeze? I don't love ice trapeze. Ice trapeze, it's not nice. No, I don't see myself drinking this. Me loyal guru like that. I'm coming, Jim. Then I will say, I want to be with ice trapeze, but it had been, guys. I don't like it. And I think because it's had been, it's a brand. Nipuzani, guys, yeah. Into the handsome. But food for thought is respect your space, your personal space. Abangani bomuntu wakho asi abangani bakho. Abangani bakho akusi abangani bomuntu wakho. Nina nitrust abangani mnizini bayeke bangene emakamereni la nilala khona. Awungeni ekamereni la kulala khona abantu abethu abathanda nayo. Umbhedo uyahlonishwa. I-main bedroom iyahlonishwa. Nina ensiyolwa amakhaya abogogo, amakhaya abazali. Main bedroom, kuhlezi kuyi-main bedroom iyahlonishwa. Ngiyahamba umkhozi ungifakela amafishi ayi-2 guys. Umkhozi uyangithanda. Khona this guy ku-TikTok flying fish or une-flying fish lapha e-island side. I like that guy so much. I want to taste this food. But asikho lapho kwamanje. Let me go finish off my day. My phone is flat. I didn't get a chance to charge. Guys, singing about live on TikTok name. Call on joining I'm live on TikTok. Justice for Tekele Kutumela. So, so guys. Adios. We listen, we don't judge. So I had to go back for another piece because it was too good, man. It was too good. But this one was for nightcap when I get home and just have some fish. And yeah. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and shout out to you, Mkosi, securing the bag 1 Curacao at a time. It's a new day, another dollar. Time to chase that dolly. Well, we start the day off with some street food. And this time, I am getting inyama yenkoloko. So come with me and spend the day with me as I go be a sangoma, a dangerous sangoma. Hey guys, I'm done eating. I'm very good, guys. I've been at it since morning, so I just knocked off and quickly went to buy food. So now I'm going to the river for cleansings. The way is scheduled today is actually a private session. It's just one person, and I just can't wait to come back and wrap up my day. So guys, so let's go and see. And so she's like, Lang, I don't like going to the river. I would choose that, so it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Let's go, guys. Yes, it means you're nice all of it. But ungababas now we pay. Isamele mawungekho ready uzonya sikhatha ama-wig pants, makeup pants, and nje asazi ngoba bathi sibuyisele image yami mina ngiyayisebenzisa guys and ngiyi-right. I'm not sweating, so I don't know kumele kwenzakaleni. So I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe later. Yo guys, it's so hot. I can't breathe. But it's time to work. Sinmanan baba. Ninjani. Siyaphila. Uzazithengela something ine. Sokwaza kwande ne baba. Okay. Guys, I'm at the river. I am about to work. It's about to go down. It's about to go. I'm just kidding. I'm hyping myself up because I'm very tired. So I'm quickly changing into my work attire because my clients might be here in like 10 seconds. So clients, yes. So I just want to quickly get ready and work. Gashisa, guys, gashisa. Danger for bar, ingozi. Ngisho ukuthi hayi kufika izinja zegame manje. So I'm getting myself hyped up so I can work. But deep down, I honestly just want to sleep. Saturday, siyageza futhi. And then, guys, emalanga wami leave sewayasondela. Yeah, I'm getting closer and closer. I'm so happy for myself. So yeah. So wami zashwabana kanje. Hayi. Why? Ubonisa le part engingayifuni. Ish. Thina sathi saphekwa izangoma singakaqhaphaki. So actually ithi ngehlise le bhayi mara ngicela i-tight anyway. So sileza ngoma ezibabayo thina, sileza ngoma lezi ezinyisayo. So I just need to go quickly by the river and go prepare. That's Mina. I'm ready to work. Okay. Okay guys, I'm done working for the day. This is my life. Ngwele igazi. Like re tlo phela bjang re mosadi a o phela o etsa di-chicken autopsy. Gore nna ke ngene wa o etsa di-chicken autopsy metlheng enana. Gore monna wa o khotlela mosadi wa sangoma, ha o se bete she mosadi wa o tshwara thipa ka bohaleng. Sure. Much for your we've reached the end of my vlog. I just want to say thank you so much for your continuous support. Guys, Mina, I don't care what anyone is gonna say. I'm taking a leave in October, and that's that. So tomorrow it's back to the Ndumba again. I need a drink, or else I'm going to have heart palpitations. And it's nothing but love and light. So don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. And I don't have anything else to say apart from it's been a beautiful couple of days we've been spending together. Although I still have a lot of pending things that I haven't done. Found some weird stick-ons and I wore them for the cleansing, but they're not working. So I need to run, guys, and get out of here. And I wish I could sit here the whole time. So yeah, manifune isangoma lesi sisitohong isi powerfully lizongithola ekaSlambi lizongithola, but moya ke wa Thapelo, guys, moya ke wa re tshwareng pila, moya ke wa re rataneng, moya ke wa ntho tsena tsa kaofela. Ke le rata, guys, nna ka tsamaya a ke sa itse le gore ke reng mara ka bua ka bula molomo ka eba mangilahleli induku ende kanje bathi ngithathe kanjani. I'm not a swimmer, I'm a swimmer. Hey, and le yanduku le yamele ngihambe nayo nayo emkhumbeni yami. Bon. Hey guys, before nibone iy'bhoko zala ithi ngihambe, ngiyanithanda guys. It's nothing but love and light. See you later. Bye bye, Papa. Na i-chicken imkhulu ne? So uza frya wena ne? Okay, siyabonga ne? Okay, bye. I did